Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming to you with an awesome video. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Irish sea moss gel. Okay, now this Irish moss gel has wonderful benefits, and one of the wonderful benefits is weight loss. The Irish moss itself helps to reduce your appetite due to its ability to absorb moisture, which is going to cause you to feel full. Now this is also a gentle laxative and can also promote in the elimination process of weight through the gastrointestinal tract. Now, it's also rich in iodine, which can boost your metabolism, in turn will increase energy and help you to accelerate with weight loss. This also has wonderful, awesome benefits to help to balance your thyroid. So for those of you who are suffering from thyroid disease, illnesses, or whatever, because when you're having thyroid disease, that's what's detrimental to your metabolism. That's going to cause you not to lose weight or to have very slow weight loss. So we're going to boost it all up, okay? And one of you actually reached out to me asking me for a remedy for thyroid issues so you can lose weight. Now this is what I'm talking about, y'all. Solutions, okay? Solutions. Now Irish sea moss is an algae, actually. It's an algae that's found in the Caribbean, and it just has so much wonderful benefits. There's different type of sea moss, but I'm using the brand Angel, and I got this from my local supermarket. I paid $1.29 for a very small pack of sea moss, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it looks like something from under the sea. Okay, under the sea. All right, so let me show you how to prepare this to make a wonderful weight loss gel that you can put in your smoothies. This is going to alkaline your body, which in return help to fight any type of diseases in your body, especially when it comes to cancer. So let's start this wonderful video right now. Now what you're going to need is a bowl, because what we're going to do is we're going to wash our sea moss. All right, so I'm going to use 2 bags. You can actually order this online. Okay, so it's easy to get if you don't have it in your state or country where you're living. Okay, I'm going to wash this because it has little stuff on it, so we got to clean this up in order for us to use it. Okay, you guys, so my sea moss is clean and ready. Okay, so basically now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some filtered water, pour it over it, just enough to cover it. Okay, okay, so you just put your sea moss in a bowl. After it's clean and rinsed off thoroughly, put it in a bowl. You're going to cover it up and place it in your refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours, or if you like, you can also let this sit for overnight. So I'll be back when this is finished. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day. I soaked this for like 24 hours. Okay, and it is ready. Okay, so I'm just going to put this in my blender cup, and as you can see, it actually swole. It doubled in size. Look how thick that is. Wow. It kind of looks like spaghetti. Wow, look at this. Wow. This is my first time actually making sea moss gel, and I'm from the islands. Okay, so you can put this in a personal size blender, any type of high-speed blender. And what I'm going to do is put this in my personal size blender. Now, it was also recommended to cut these, you know, into smaller pieces because the length of it can actually wrap around your propeller and damage it. But we'll see. If it's a high-speed blender, it should be able to cut through all of that. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit of water in this to get the propellers going. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the water that I was soaking it in. Okay. Wow, look how thick that is. Wow. And it doesn't have a bad smell or anything. That's it, you guys. That's how you make your gel. So now I'm just going to transfer this into a mason jar and store it in my refrigerator. This is good to store up to 2 to 3 weeks in your refrigerator, and you use it as needed. Okay? Okay, so you find a jar and you just pour that inside your jar and store it in your refrigerator. And that's it, you guys. You store it in your mason jar. Now this mason jar is actually kind of big, but you get the idea. You store it in there and you scoop it out as needed. And that's how you make Irish sea moss gel. This is wonderful for smoothies, for teas, drinks, for salads, for whatever, oatmeal. You take this daily and it's going to change your weight loss game. When you add this into your drinks and your smoothies, you're going to feel the benefits of this Irish moss gel. Now I'm also going to show you some beauty tips as well that you can use this for as well. But there it is, you guys. Easy to make Irish sea moss gel. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and also share these videos with your friends and family. As well as check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care videos, skincare videos, family challenges, story times, the most. Okay, you will get all of that on that channel. And also, you guys, don't forget to check down below for the links where you will also get access to being able to purchase some sea moss online. Alright, I'll have a link down below. And don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.